Hello everybody. I am going to film this high pressure sodium street lamp at the intersection of Church Road and River Drive coming on. It's getting dark right now, so hopefully the light will come on at any minute. I was hoping to film that street lamp there, that mercury vapor one, but it already came on by the time I parked. See an airplane contrail right there, but I don't want to miss this lamp coming on. Pretty nice night, considering earlier today it was raining at times and it was very muggy. Here it comes, finally. I didn't get the initial startup, but I'm sure this lamp is going to brighten up pretty fast. You might be able to notice it.